Welcome to this video on evaluating an expression. When you evaluate an expression, it means that you need to substitute in for a variable. So we're going to substitute the variables and for a given value. Every time you substitute a variable with a number, put a parenthesis around the number. Then I would like you to follow your order of operations to simplify. So let's give this a try. You begin with some sort of equation or expression, and then you're told what value to substitute in. I want x to be 7, so where there's an x, I'm going to write everything else exactly the same way, except for where the x is, I'm going to place my parenthesis, and now put a 7 in there. Following my order of operations, I don't have parentheses, it's already simplified. There's no exponents. So then I have some multiplication, so I'm going to have 50 minus 3 times 7, which is 21. And then when you do 50 minus 21, your answer will be 29. So 50 minus 3x equals 29 when x is 7. So all we had to do was substitute in. So now we have a slightly more complicated. We have some exponents going on, and we have two substitutions that are going to happen. Wherever there's an a, instead of a, we're going to write 3. Wherever there's a b, we're going to write -4. So first, I'm just going to write this like everywhere there's a letter, I'm just going to go ahead and put parentheses. So the first one is a squared, and a is 3. Times b, well, b is -4. This is minus b squared. Remember, b is -4. So we're going to apply our parentheses. They're simplified inside. We're going to apply our exponents first, and we're going to walk through all our steps. 3 squared is 9. We haven't done anything to this yet. Minus, and then -4 squared is 16. Now we have 9 minus 4 times -4 is -36, minus 16. These are both negative, so you're really going further negative, so it's going to equal -52. Okay. Everybody's favorite, we have fractions, which people panic over, but we're substituting in. Let's see if it'll be simpler once we substitute in. Remember, the letters become a number that we're substituting in, so that says 5r. So it's 5 times whatever r is. R is 6, so I'm going to put that in there. Plus 7s divided by 2. S is 4, so I'm going to stick the 4 in for s. Minus t, which is 15, divided by 5. Okay. We're going to keep simplifying, following our order of operations. We have some multiplication here. So we have 30 divided by 3 plus 28 divided by 2 minus 15 divided by 5. We can keep simplifying. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 28 divided by 2 is 14. And 15 divided by 5 is 3. So it looked more complicated than it really was. 10 plus 14 is 24. Minus 3 equals 21. So our whole goal here is to substitute in for our letters and solve what I've got left. Our final one, we have two substitutions going on. Make sure we pay attention to which one goes where. 4 times the variable needs to be 1, and that needs to be squared. Plus 9 times the variable y, which is 2, and that is squared. So we have to apply our squaring first because of our order of operation. So 1 squared is still 1. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 9 times 4 is 36. And 4 plus 36 is 40. All right, hopefully that's helpful to you, and we'll see you in class.